Ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Unit hagakat santri urempang arja arpusau kalami iban penram halor ki jingjia Kynnoh batbor ki kentai has Sandeshkhali jongga jela West Bengal dagi suba nongelam jongga All India Trinamool Congress ka wasan syar ya katega jela yakni ke jingya ki penram lalam khamak dagi long kemi ka BJP hagabalai don lang dagi het nongelam ka party ka kong Suzuki Pariat ka President jongga State BJP Mahila Morcha kala ong bakal long ka balingo bakim kem ya ki suba don kti bot Kynnoh ru baka menteri rangba ka jela West Bengal ka Mamata kala Pynrieh halayeng ya way na kinongelam bala sya Kynnoh don ktiu bala tip kerteng kumu Sheikh Shah Jahan.
We condemn rapist Sheikh Shah Jahan. Where is he now? We condemn Sheikh Shah Jahan. We condemn Sheikh.
We strongly condemn the incident which happened at Sandeshkhali, West Bengal. Where is Sheikh Shah Jahan? Where is he? Why cannot Mamata find him? Is he hiding in her bungalow? Why cannot she arrested him? Is she directly supporting him and his good? Where is the billions? We want him to be arrested. We want the Mahila. We want all the ladies, all the women in West Bengal to be safe. But if this kind of action happened in West Bengal, do you think the women in West Bengal are safe? No, not at all. So, we as Meghalaya, Mahila Morcha Meghalaya, we want him to be arrested. We want the villain to be arrested. Shame on you, Sheikh Shah Jahan, and shame on you, Mamata, for you cannot protect the women of West Bengal. We stand here for all the women of West Bengal, and we stand for justice. Justice for all those women who fall under this trap.
As we strongly condemn, let Mamata take the responsibility. If she is not able to take that, then it's better for her to resign.